Hey everybody, today we're going to change out our Chalk Couture artwork. We're going to spray it with some water using our fancy Chalk Couture water bottle. Then we're going to use our brand new paste scraper. Check out how easy it comes off. Now in the beginning I applied some firm pressure and then I'm still kind of testing out the pressure for it, but it comes off really easy. And then I just came in with our Chalk Couture board erasers, took off the rest of that artwork. You can see that it takes off any shadowing left behind. This thing is magic. Then I use our fuzzing cloth. The other side of our fuzzing cloth is a really smooth surface, perfect for cleaning up your board. Then I'm taking our brand new In This House transfer, just laying it right on top. Now you guys, I did this on the wall. I didn't even have to take the chalkboard off the wall. Can we please get an amen? So easy to change out your decor. On the top, I'm going to put a little bit of our Bright White Chalkology paste. Then I'm using our large squeegee and I'm just going to pull it down on the board. This literally took less than 30 seconds, guys. Then you're going to grab at the corners, then pull down at the top. Takes a little bit of muscle strength, but not too much. And then I'm just wiggling it back and forth just a bit because I don't want my transfer to stretch. But yeah, you're just going to peel it off and then check out how awesome this is, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? I am in love with this transfer and I hope you are too.